Well, hello. So we are in the parking lot of Costco and we're going to shop. You guys want to shop with us?
You guys want to go?
You want to go?
Let's
go. So we're starting over in this section. I don't know. I see these all the time and I'm so tempted, but I don't really get it. Like, is it a closer shave, just a smoother shave? I don't really need it right now, but I'm always intrigued by these. And my next question for y'all, have y'all ever tried the Kirkland brand moisture shampoo and conditioner? Is it any good? Again, I don't really need any right now, but I'm thinking for next time. If it is, I mean, that's a killer deal. It says it's vegan, gluten-free, sulfate and paraben-free, safe for color hair. Okay, so I've never tried this exact scent, but this Hemp's brand is really, really good. And two of them, two moisturizers, 15 bucks for this brand is a killer deal. These are like the most moisturizing lotions I've ever used, ever. So I can't believe it's that good of a deal. Again, when I need it, I think I'll pop back and get some. So I literally got Invisalign yesterday. So if I have a slight lisp, it's because my mouth feels weird right now as I get used to it. But I'm thinking about getting these for when I'm in a pinch. So I don't want to go through them like crazy because it is kind of wasteful, but it'd be nice to have just like literally one or two of those in my purse. So if there is something stuck between my teeth, I can get it out before I put the Invisalign tray back in. I don't remember if I showed these in the last one, but this is a pretty good deal for a whole bunch of sheet masks, and it's a bunch of different kinds for different needs, which I think is pretty cool. And 15 bucks for a 10 count, that's not crazy. It's not a bad deal.
So we try and make smoothies for breakfast, like at least a couple times a week. We get off the bandwagon, we come back and forth.
Yeah. But
you heard about this from somebody, right? This collagen?
I'm sure I heard it from
you. Yeah,
YouTube.
we put it in our smoothies. So
yeah, it's
I don't
really
even know
good.
what it's all good for, but
it's good for everything, I think.
A little bit of this, a little bit of that.
Like, trust it, throw
look
a
at
little
this, look at that, look at this, look at that.
So we also in our smoothies put like a vanilla protein powder because it gives the smoothie a way better taste other than just fruit and like banana, and then we put like some spinach or kale in it too. But yeah, this is a huge one and it is $22.49, $7.50 off. That's a killer deal. They also have a chocolate one too. So Vega is actually the brand we usually get for our vanilla protein powder, and I actually really like it. Again, it's like plant-based, but they have a cold brew coffee like protein powder that I think you just mix with water. I think I'm gonna try it because with Invisalign, you can't just like drink coffee. I've heard of people kind of cheating, don't judge me, and they'll drink like something like iced coffee through a straw. So I thought this would kind of be a nice option. And it also gives you some protein at the same time. I think I'm gonna swap out and get this instead of those other things, or maybe both. I'm trying to decide because I like to have these in the bathrooms too. And then I needed some soft toothbrushes because you also brush the actual Invisalign thing. So I'm gonna grab this. And Tyler wants some 3D white strips. I can't use them for the next year, but you can. And that's a good deal. I think it was like 25 bucks or 27 bucks for all of that, which is a steal.
I don't know which one of these to do.
Toothpaste problems.
I mean, are all toothpaste created equal? I don't know.
Yes and no, I think. You could try the Sensodyne. This is what I use. I like
the Crest 3D.
You could do the extra whitening Sensodyne.
I don't have sensitive teeth though.
Well, but it's just really good for you.
I don't know. It's all the same. This one's 30% better whitening. That one's 30% more whitening power. How do I know which is the better? I don't know. I think you're good either way. I think so too. So they have all of these designer fragrances for, that's my favorite right there, 56 bucks, which is like half the price is like literally anywhere else. Wow. I've never seen this before, so I'm sure it's not all the time. I know Kathleen Lights loves that one. Or maybe it's the only one, I don't know. But yeah, that's literally like one of my favorite perfumes of all time. This is something we love. This is like a new love for us, but it's like $6.89, which sounds expensive, but you get tiny bags for like $4.50 at Whole Foods. So this is like, they're really good. And they're gluten-free, and they're based on like chickpea flour. They're pretty good. Always. I make hummus so much, and it always just seems to disappear. I don't know how. It's the weirdest thing. It's the weirdest thing. But we, the Stacy's Simply Naked chips. They're simply naked. Naked. What does it say? Did it even say it anymore? Yeah. Simply naked. And I had an Italian foreign exchange student. And I was like, hey, I'm going to the store. Do you need anything? It's like, yeah, get some Simply Naked. So what? What is he saying? Simply Naked. And he literally took me downstairs and showed Simply Naked. You're like, oh my gosh. Simply naked pita chips. So for the rest of our lives. Simply Naked. This is the best deal in town on this because these, again, crazy expensive at a regular store. So $6.79 for this big of a bag is actually a good deal. We're gonna try these little organic apple chip crisp things.
Really, I think Gigi, our 1-year-old, will like them, but also I'm curious to try them too.
It can be for both.
This is a killer deal. So I just got into these. Gigi, again, our toddler loves them. We just rip them up right now because she's like 15 months. But they're little fruit and veggie rolls, and they literally has 3 ingredients. 4 and some. I mean, amazing, clean stuff, but she likes it because it is still fruity and like kind of chewy. We are literally going like all over the store, so there's no rhyme or reason to the order of any of this. But these gloves look really nice, like really nice ones, and I think they're supposed to be, yeah, like hybrid where you can still do, yeah, like touchscreen. I'm kind of thinking about it. I don't have any nice gloves like that.
I want this tree. It's 12 feet tall. We have no spot for it, but I want it.
It's also $600.
Yeah, also that.
It's really cool though. Oh, by the way, poor Tyler hurt his thumb.
Yeah.
I think it's sprained.
Yeah,
so
because I'm an idiot.
If you're curious. And so I've got to pick up the salt water, or the hot, what is it called?
The salt for our
hot water
softener.
Salt.
Also, we bought giant bags of salt for our water softener before. People commented on videos. They're like, "Do you guys go through that much salt?" We're like, "No, we have a water softener."
Use, yeah, different use. But yeah, I'll have to pick those up. I'll just have to muster out the strength. What is it, like 10 pounds? I think I can.
Like 50. You got it.
I don't think it's 50. We're just gonna see. So I'm thinking about decorating for fall because it's early September, and here we are talking about Christmas, but we actually do need a like snow scraper.
Yeah.
In one of our cars, we have one in the other.
We have one. Yeah, I think the old one broke. But this is $15. You get 2 of them.
It looks pretty sturdy
and it extends to 51 inches.
Jeez.
In case you have a semi-truck.
If you have a semi-truck. Something we've actually needed for a while, but we've never had are like kind of like warmth layers. Does that make sense? So these are like 2 packs for $15. Kind of pricey, but cheaper than when you get them elsewhere for ones that actually do keep you warm. So I'm gonna get these. It's basically leggings, and then these, and I think he's gonna get some too. So for $18, they have these like foam comfort mats, and we kind of need a new one under our sink, and these are a little bit bigger, and honestly I think it's a little bit nicer, and we paid like $40 for ours, so I'm really thinking about it. What do you think, Tyler?
For our kitchen?
Yeah, to replace that one that we've had for like 5 years.
It was a wedding present, I think.
No, I remember buying it. We might have bought it with like a gift card.
At our old apartment.
Yeah,
so we've had
5
it
or
for a
6 years then. And I like that this one's a little bit longer, almost runner-like.
The only thing I don't like about the one we have is it constantly moves. Like we need to put like something down because I'm constantly pushing it back.
Yeah, we could put one of those little things we have under some of our other rugs, but just a thought. So $20, these are like full-size candles, and they're so pretty, and they smell really, really nice. This vanilla one smells unbelievable. I wish y'all could smell it. A lot of you guys ask about the devotionalized show every once in a while. They sell it here. So this is the one I'm using now. I also have a smaller version of Jesus Calling. That's pretty cool. This is a really cool lamp.
Kind of reminds me of like Pixar too. I don't know why.
I can kind of see
It's got
that.
a charging thing. Charging
pad.
You
can, if you have the kind of phone that can charge that way.
Different colored lights. Ooh.
That's really, for real, really neat. I'm thinking about it. I'm like, I don't need it, but I kind of need it.
3 light modes, 4 level of brightness, wireless charging.
I'm a little torn because I need to get some cups with straws for the same reasons I keep talking about. I promise I'll stop talking about Invisalign. Just right now, it's like so fresh on my mind. But thinking about that, it'd be nice to have some like nice cups to use every day.
And I used to have ones exactly like this.
Yeah, this Contigo, and they were really nice.
Yeah.
So I'm torn between this, but then I also like, these are really nice. And then like, Tyler, if you want to use them, there's the option of drinking it regularly.
And I can also drink through a straw also.
Also though, and yeah, I really like that color. I don't know.
Decisions.
I'm gonna get one.
I did like this one because it has like a little spring thing in there, so when you pull the straw out, it locks it up, and then it doesn't spill.
It's a shake and go too, so I wonder.
Yeah, so say you pull it out and you can shake it up because it's.
That's perfect because that thing I'm getting, the iced coffee protein powder stuff. Okay, that just made the decision. So there we go.
And I had it, the one I had for a couple of years, and then it just got all scratched up, and so I got a new one.
So we always grab one of these when we're here because it's like a pre-mixed margarita. It is insanely good. Beware. But they're so good when you have people over, especially, you know, it's still warmer out here. It's September. And so like if you're having people over at your house, wouldn't it be funny if I just kept going back and forth and got like 15? So we're also getting a bunch of fruit, berries, some apples. We are both kind of in a Brussels sprout mood, so we grab some of those. This bag of broccoli is the best deal in town. However, like we only have a week, so we'll usually make half of it for one meal and half for another in the next week, but it's
so easy. You just dump it in. You don't even have to cut it up. And I don't care how lazy that is. It is nice to save that time, right?
And shameless plug, if you don't like Brussels sprouts, I can change your mind. I have a video. Go watch it. Jessica will link it below.
So I eye these every time we come, and I'm just buying them. I think we're going to try to freeze half. But I love croissants with butter, like warmed up. So I'm like, this is happening. I love them.
Et croissant.
Cafe? So Tyler likes to make hummus, but right now this week is just crazy. So we're like, let's just buy one to get us through the week. And that's how much we eat on us. It's like
and I make it at home about this amount. Like,
and
we still go through it in like a week.
Gigi eats it though too.
Yeah, she likes it a lot too.
Anyway, so we're gonna buy some to tie us over. Oh, also pulled pork. We keep buying stuff. We always buy the organic ground turkey, and then it's lost somewhere. Oh yeah, the chicken breast that it's just so perfect. I love that it's kind of portioned out already, so you can freeze the rest. So one of my favorite snacks is cherry tomatoes and mozzarella. So I'm buying these, and then for our daughter, she loves cheese.
I think cheese, honestly, might have been her first word. She goes,
it was close. Cheese.
They are indeed 50-pound bags. Let's see them muscles.
I already got one in.
She did get one. So you know you can do it.
No, there's handles on both sides.
And I should sprain my thumb more often.
This is the Braun and Viv spiked seltzer, and it's one of my favorites. I really like it. I might like it better than like White Claw.
Your Trulies.
And Truly, yeah. These are the best string cheese in the world, and they last till like December, so I'm buying a couple bags. I love them, and my daughter loves them. I think we already have granola at home, like a lot. We have a big bag of that at home, one of those two.
Sure.
Yeah, and it's
we don't
like
have any
in
other things, so I need to.
Yeah, we need to refill. The other thing we just grabbed was Gigi likes Uncrustables, as does Tyler. And then just some more, some fruit for our smoothies. And then what else did we grab? Oh, some toys. We were away from our doggy for a few weeks, so we're buying him some puppy toys. Some Boo Berries. Tis this almost in 2 months.
Blueberry, Frankenberry, and Count Chocula.
I don't know that I actually like any of those.
Oh, it doesn't
matter.
matter.
Talk to me when it's peanut butter,
Halloween.
Captain Crunch. Oh my gosh. And it's 0 calories. We obviously have not been to Costco in a few months, and so we might go grab a second cart. Please don't judge us. I know, we know. This I am getting because a lot of times we'll get like the Costco brand, which is great and it's a better deal, but I get kind of tired of the same coffee every day, so I'm excited to have a bunch of different options. And we don't care what y'all have to say because we're buying the holiday blend. So we've got some like 90-second type quinoa and brown rice, and then we've been enjoying the Seeds of Change brand, but we've been buying them like individually. But I'm thinking about getting, again, like this is such a quick and easy thing we'll use sometimes for lunch and just split one with something on top of it. It's not bad. $10.99. They're kind of pricey for what they are, but they're really good. Getting Gigi these little apple sauces. She's really into it right now. And if you like Parmesan cheese, these are literally just like crisped up, baked Parmesan cheese. They're so good, and they're decently clean too. And some fresh flowers because they make my heart happy. Well, 2 carts later, this is insanity. That was fun. We're set for like life.
Going to Costco is so much fun. It
is fun.
It really is kind of just an old person fun thing to do.
I guess we're just old people. I'm okay with that.
I'm alright with that.
I'm cool with it. I've accepted it. I'm open to it.
We're going clubbing.
Yeah, this is our club. This is as fun to me as going clubbing.
Honestly, it's a little bit more fun than going clubbing.
I think it is actually, and there's sample ways. So we're headed home. I would show you a grocery haul of this, but it's not going to happen because we're going to have to like run everything upstairs, downstairs, because we keep some things downstairs like in a pantry like area anyway. But I hope y'all enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see our last one from a few months ago, I can link it below. It was not quite this heavy duty. This was wild, but yeah. Thanks for watching. Come check out our like regular vlogs and travel vlogs and Disney vlogs on his channel, Tyler Travels TV. Put that thumb away. You need to get it on ice.
I know. I got ice when we get home.
Yep. But anyway, we love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.